So we're seeing people right across the food industry, and food industry for us is very broad because we include, for instance, pet food, through to meat, through to dairy, through to the vegan. It's very, very wide for us. So yeah, we haven't really seen any one particular sector being more seen than the other. I think it's been a very good spread.
So we're seeing some bakery, but predominantly meat. We've seen fish and then some produce customers as well. So yeah, quite a few sectors, and even some pharmaceutical have dropped by. So for us, that's great because we cover all those sectors and more. And yeah, that's been encouraging to see them.
It's a nice mixture of the bigger manufacturers, but also the smaller manufacturers that are trying to grow. And part of our job is trying to support them in automation and improving their efficiencies in the lines.
We've seen owners of, owner-operators from smaller businesses. We've seen engineering and facility purchasing people, all across the range really. I think the show really is good at bringing people from every area of each business in one place.
There's quite different sectors. They can be from they're from manufacturer, or some they're the brand owner, and some can be from the catering section.
So we've talked to quite a lot of the large food manufacturers from across the UK. Some were aware of what we did, some were aware of a small part of what we did. So it's been a good opportunity to talk to a much wider, diverse type of customer.
Certainly we're seeing visitors that come to Foodex being a huge variety. I've spoken to a number of senior leaders within the organisation who have a keen interest in identifying and understanding what's out there. It's also people want to make sure they have value for money, people want to make sure they have the right solution, so they're actually making a vested interest themselves in attending the events.
The kind of customers we're seeing at Foodex are, a vast majority do seem to be decision makers, managing directors of businesses who are maybe looking at new directions to take their business, whether it be new packaging types, new ways of processing, ways to increase the yield on their products.
The type of visitors that are coming here are decision makers. We tend to find that the visitors are specifically looking for something, whether it's say growing their business, improving an efficiency. Automation is a big key at the moment, and the nice thing for us is that these people have a big influence on what machinery supplier they use.
Are we talking to decision makers? In the main, yes. You see people from all ends of the market, really, all ends of the industry, whether there's new start businesses, people that have it are currently outsourcing their production and looking to bring that in-house a lot. But yeah, certainly, we work with a lot of people across the industry anyway, of all different scales.
Yesterday morning was extremely busy for us, and so at some points, there wasn't enough of the team to be able to support the customers and talk to people. But yeah, it's been a really enjoyable few days.